Okay, good morning, Angela. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Angela Marcos. I am 27 years old. I was born on August 17, 1987. I am married. I have 3 children, ages 17, 13, and 11. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I have 2 years experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong, year 2014 to 2016, to a Chinese employer. My main duties there are taking care of elderly, doing household chores, cooking, and marketing.
Okay, so you mentioned in your 2 years experience in Hong Kong, you have took care an elderly. Okay.
Yes.
So is this a healthy elderly, or you have to assist the elderly with their medicines, in their checkup?
She is healthy.
Okay, healthy. So one elderly only.
Yes,
in
ma'am.
in your employer. Okay. So what made you decided again to work in Hong Kong since you last worked in Hong Kong for 2016?
Because, ma'am, I want to earn money for my children for their future, and I want to help my husband.
Okay. So what are the in taking care of the elderly? So what are the important things that you have to do?
You have to focus, ma'am, for your responsibility to take care of her.
So do you also cook?
Yes, ma'am.
May I ask also if you can speak or understand Cantonese or Mandarin?
I can't speak, ma'am, but I can understand.
You can understand Cantonese.
Yes, ma'am. The basic phrases, ma'am.
How about Mandarin?
No, ma'am.
Basic Cantonese. Okay. So if we will be given you a job offer that you have to share room with the kids or elderly, are you willing to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are okay to share room.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, since you know the most of the house in Hong Kong, it's too small. Okay, so sometimes you have to share room. Is it okay? Okay, how about if you have a co-helper?
Yes, ma'am.
You okay also? Okay, so we also want to know. Can you promise us not to borrow any money to your employer or any lending company in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, final message to your future employer.
To my future employer, please hire me. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and loyal. I can promise I will do all my responsibilities to do all my duties and responsibilities